I'm Michaela Wishmeyer, Research and Communications Specialist for Prosperity Indiana. We are a statewide community and economic development association that supports members and partners working to strengthen Hoosier communities across our state. We know firsthand that housing supports economic mobility. Safe, affordable housing allows low-income people to climb up the income ladder and achieve financial stability. But unfortunately, here in Indiana, many gaps remain. There are currently only 37 affordable and available rental homes for every 100 Hoosier households with extremely low incomes, tying Indiana for the second lowest rate among the 12 Midwest states. And approximately 72% of Hoosier renters with extremely low incomes are severely cost burdened, or paying 30% or more of their income on housing costs, and at risk of homelessness, which is the second highest rate in the Midwest. Prior to the pandemic, more than 7.7 million extremely low-income renters were spending more than half of their already limited incomes on housing costs, sacrificing other necessities to do so. The compounding of high job loss rates and the lack of access to proper health care and resources has considerably depleted already limited resources and access that's needed most. Adding to this, the typical renter in Indiana pre-COVID earned almost $2 less than the hourly wage needed to afford a modest rental unit. The economic downturn spurred by the coronavirus has further increased the risk of housing instability for millions of low-wage renters at a time when stable housing is vital. As so many of us have seen and experienced firsthand during the ongoing pandemic, millions of households have dealt with the decline in wages through layoffs, furloughs, or decreased work hours, and many will struggle and continue to struggle to afford their rent and mortgage payments. Safe, stable, and affordable housing is vital to providing people with the chance for economic mobility. Housing leads to opportunities for employment, education, and more. We need to continue our advocacy to support mechanisms that provide affordable housing as a means of economic mobility for people not only in Indiana, but across the United States. Our work doesn't start and stop with Affordable Housing Month that's currently going on. We must continue fighting and advocating for our households and communities to have the access they need to safe, quality, affordable, and accessible housing.